it's Rachel here. Today we are going to be building Tokyo. You guys might recognize some of these sites, including Mount Fuji here in the back. We have the Mogakuin Cocoon Tower here, the Tokyo Tower, and here in the front we have the Chidori Fuji Park with a lot of these cute little pink cherry blossoms, as well as Shibuya Crossing here with all these colorful lights on these little buildings. Right here on the right we have the Tokyo Big Sight, and back here the Tokyo Skyline. Let's get started.